Electricity consumption in Kenya has hit an all-time high, driven by growing industrial activity and expanded grid access. Electricity generating company KenGen says it has continued to meet this historic demand by ramping up its hydro and geothermal generation. Here's Jasmine Wamboi with this and more stories making headlines in the world of business.
KenGen has confirmed a new national peak electricity demand of over 2,300 megawatts, the highest in the country's history. The surge has been driven by increased industrial activity, population growth, and wider access to the national grid. The company says its current generation capacity is stable, with geothermal, hydro, and wind energy sources well positioned to meet the country's